Welcome to the Davidska markets in Prague. As you can see, farmer markets are still very popular for buying fresh vegetables, meat, cheese, bread, and baked goods. Today we are shopping for local ingredients to make our svíčková.
Traditional Czech cuisine usually consists of two courses, soup followed by the main course. Many Czech dishes are meat-based, not only farm meat, but also game and birds. We loved seeing the fresh fish, pheasants and ducks that were being sold in the market.
Who's got the sweet treats?
Anna.
Why don't you guys crack them open?
How is it, Micah?
It's good.
It's Prague at its best.
Hey guys!
Here.
There you go.
I'm Dora. We're year 5 and 6 students from Riverside School, Czech Republic. This is our cooking team.
Hello, my name is Christoph.
My name is David.
I'm Micah.
My name is Will.
My name is Anna. I'm Vincent.
And I'm Mr. Ben.
Today we will make a traditional dish named svíčková. In English it's beef vegetable cream sauce.
Today we're also going to make a traditional Czech dessert called fruit dumplings, or in Czech ovocné knedlíky.
Let's get started!
First we'll have to prepare our vegetables for the svíčková.
200 grams carrots,
200 grams of parsnips.
200 grams of sourdough root.
And 1 huge onion.
and don't forget the beef.
Now we need to mix our vegetables and roast them. Now we have to mix all our vegetables together.
And then add salt and pepper. And peppercorn, 4 allspice berries, and 2 bay leaves.
Last, add in the beef stock.
Now we need to roast our vegetables and cook it for 30 minutes.
Now it's time to make our fruit dumplings. Here are our ingredients. 1 beaten egg, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of milk,
2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt.
And 12 pitted plums.
Add the beef to our roasting vegetables and then cook for another 30 minutes.
Now we need to puree the vegetables for our sauce.
After we finish pureeing the vegetables, we add our cream and lemon.
Now our svíčková is ready to eat.
Add and taste best with the bread dumplings.
After svíčková, we have the dessert, fruit dumplings. We can either steam them,
Or you can boil it.
enjoy our meal, Mr. Page.
Well, thank you very much. I'll certainly try.
Do you like the svíčková, Mr. Page?
I really like it. It's perfect. Thank you.
And the plum dumplings are best with melted butter and